Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 7. We'll present to you about our material introducing CAT tools or computer aided translation tools. Before it, let me introduce our group. There is me. My name is Vera Yulianti and my partner Anna Barokatul Aziza. Okay, the first material will be presented by me about the definition CAT tools. CAT tools or computer-aided translation is a form of language translation with translator use computer to support and facilitate the translation process. A CAT tool facilitates the translator process by resolving the text into smaller and translatable segments. Using CAT tools, shortened as CAT tools, is a method which involves the use of software to help linguists translate faster and more efficiently. Jadi, CAT tool atau computer aided translation tool adalah perangkat lunak yang dipakai oleh para penerjemah dan ahli bahasa untuk membantu penerjemahan. Nah, perangkat ini memiliki banyak kegunaan, terutama membantu proses penerjemahan sehingga dapat mengedit, membuat, menyimpan, dan mengelola penerjemahan. Next is the feature of CAT tools. The first, there is translation memory, or also known TM. TM is type of software that remember its phrase once it's been translated. Using TM makes the translation process go faster. One method of creating a TM is by aligning a short text with its translation. Alignment in this process of comparing both of text and matching the corresponding sentence, which will become segment, known as translation unit in the TM. The second, there is terminology management. Terminology is a crucial task in technical translation. Terminology management is the process of identifying, storing, and managing company, customer, or product specific terminology that need to be translated in a specific way.
Last material is advantages of CAT tools. CAT tools have a point and positive where their use in advantage. For the first is speed. CAT tools can lead to massive increase regarding the speed of translation. And second is time and money. In some cases, the expenses and the time it takes to keep content location and up to date can become a barrier to the company efforts to expand on the international market. And the third is consistency. Because certain have already been translated, once the check for accuracy, they will be drawn from the TM and be additional whatever that they use. And first, ability to share. Ability to share. Will your project require several translators working at the same time? With a code-based tool, you will still mention the above CAT advantages of defense and consistency. And the next is the format is no problem. It doesn't matter what format a particular project requires. By using this right software, your project will still gain the above benefit. And then for the next this is the last, better for technical document. because of the possibility of there being a significant amount of repetition in technical, financial, or legal document. For instance, TMC can be filled very quickly and have a much higher utility when used in such as project. For the next is GAT tools every translator should use. For the first is translation memory. What is translation memory? Translation memory is the most popular CAT tool. It breaks the text to be translated into units called section. As a translation approach the translation of the document, the software searches the text in database of already translated section. And the second is language search engines. What is language search engines? Language search engines work like traditional search engines, except that they do not search on the internet but in the translation memory. And then third is terminology management. Among CAT tools, there are also terminology management tools with a program of this type. The translator can automatically explore for the word in a new document in a database. Some of these methods enable the translator to insert in database new combination of the word that resemble and support using different functions. And then the last is alignment software. What is alignment software? This text alignment application provides the translator the ability to create a translation memory using the search and target of the same text. The software separates the two texts into fragments and tries to decide which section responds with each other.
Okay, that's all of our presentation. Thank you very much for your nice attention. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.